Who don't like free shit? I love free shit. You like free shit?
I love free shit.
I love free shit, man. What are you talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
Yo, it's your boy Tyrell. And as you know, I'm a man of my word. We're gonna do this 500 subscriber giveaway. 500 subscribers, we're gonna do the giveaway. I'm about to tell you the details right now. All you have to do, very simple. You have to be first subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed, you ain't winning. The second thing you gotta do, comment down below your favorite video on my channel. Now I have over 30 videos on my channel, so you got plenty to choose from. Just like when you think about my channel, what video sticks out to you? Just comment that video down below. The third thing you gotta do is like the video. So number one, you gotta be subscribed. Number two, I want you to comment down below your favorite video. And number three, just like the video. Very simple, guys. And I'm gonna pick two winners. Each winner that I pick is gonna receive a $25 Amazon gift card. So you can get whatever you want on Amazon. Some of y'all people probably like, oh, $25? That's it? My pockets is broke. You know what I'm saying? I just bought a new camera, guys. You see that? Canon G7X. Hold on. You know what I'm saying? I just bought a new camera, man. So my pockets is a little tight. Besides, $25, man, that you didn't have to work for. What's wrong with that? You know what I'm saying? So I think if it was me, I'd be very grateful if it was $10, $5, $2. That's not $2 that's coming out of my pocket. So I think an Amazon card is the way to go because you can get anything you want on Amazon. You can find anything. You want some snacks, you want some socks, you know what I'm saying? Like anything you want on Amazon, you can get. I'll give you guys until, what's next Friday? What's next Friday? Oh yeah, by the way, today is Tuesday, January 8th. My birthday was 2 days ago. So go ahead and just like the video for that. But today is Tuesday, January 8th. I'll probably have this video posted by January 9th. So what I want you guys to do, I'll give you guys until the 18th to comment down on this video. So that's, you got like a little bit over a week to comment down below, like, and subscribe to my channel. All right, very simple, 3 things. And I'm also gonna put the instructions in the description, just in case you get lost, just in case you get confused. Anyway, that's gonna be the giveaway. If you don't want $25 Amazon gift card, hey man, don't comment down below, that's fine. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be somebody that's grateful that want that $25 Amazon gift card. That's coming out of my pocket, man, you know what I'm saying? Be looking out for epic videos, because we got this new camera. Be looking out for some epicness, man. I'm telling you guys, 2019 is gonna be epic. With all that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all next video. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?